Have you ever wondered what a modern dinosaur looks like? Take a look at a cassowary. All the danger lies in its paws. Each inner toe of the cassowary bears a dagger-like claw 12 centimeters long. With one powerful kick, a cassowary can instantly rip open the flesh of any predator. They are incredibly territorial and fearless. If you get in their way, a cassowary will not run away. It can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour through dense forest and leap up to 5 feet high. In 2019, a cassowary attacked its owner in Florida, fatally injuring him with just a few kicks. The most terrifying thing is their stalking behavior. If they decide you're a threat, they will hunt you down with astonishing tenacity. A bird that looks like a vibrant jungle decoration is actually a living reminder that nature can be merciless and deadly.